In today's video guys, I will be showing to you an update on Adamant Coin, okay? And if you're going to use my link into the description box below and also into the comment section, you will get a free 1 million worth of Adamant tokens. So this game is on the alpha phase and the beta phase will be released on the Q4 of 2021, not more than October. Okay, that's my actually I've had a talk with the developer on this. And of course, before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so for you to be able to play Adamant Mine, you just need to click this part right here, Adamant Mine, and I think you need to open it into the new tab and then close this and then click this Adamant Mine Alpha. So these are like the voting. So this design of the game is being voted by a lot of people. So you can actually vote for which design that you want to have, and currently this is the design that most of the people likes. So let's just jump right into the Adamant Mine Alpha. Okay, so this is really easy for you to play. So this is like the dashboard of Adamant Mine. Okay, so this game is very simple. This part right here, this stuff that looks like a soccer, this is an energy. So every time you are having a step, when you're digging, you are losing one energy. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so you step in here, you're going to be 100. So you step again, you will have an additional energy. So let's just continue. Okay, so you can just hover it left, up, down, left, right. But when you are actually going down, you cannot go up already. So that is the mechanics of the game. So make sure to avoid those bumps as much as possible. So just click the energy and then just go forward here and just collect more Adamant tokens. So as you can see here, I'm trying to get the energy at the top of this, but I cannot because I already made a step, I already made a dig. So the only way that you can just get an energy is by going down as well. So make sure that you are getting a lot of it before you go down. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So when you are going to be able to step into a bump, this will happen. Okay, you mine a bump and then you go back into the upper side of the screen. Okay, so you're actually saving the progress of how many adamants that you've already earned there, and then you can just restart all over again here. So like what I'm doing, so you are losing energy every time you are digging, but also you are able to mine. Okay, you're able to get an Adamant coin. So you're just going to repeat it until the energy has last. So make sure to use your energy wisely. So guys, sorry, I'm a gamer, so I already know how to play this game. So that will actually happen. So oh, okay, I mined the bomb. So, right now into the alpha phase, you won't be able to, what do you call that? Save your progress, save the adamant that you've already mined, because this is just a dry run, and you will be able to save it once it has been launched in beta phase. So make sure to have that, to grab that one as well. So, what will happen actually, okay? When you are going to sign up into my link, okay, you need to go into the Telegram bot. So they do already have it. So just search for an Adamant coin. So they do have already here. So let me just go forward here. So when you click this ADMC referral bot, this is more like an airdrop, okay? So for each join, you will be getting 1 million ADMC, and for each referral, you will get 50,000 ADMC. Just take in note that for one BNB, you will be able to get as much as 86 million ADMC once it has been launched into the market this coming September 20. So if you are actually have a lot of people, or you are playing games and you have other people that are interested, then probably you can take advantage of this ADMC airdrop. So this one is legit. I already confirmed it with the developer, so make sure that you will also grab this one as well. So let's just click the start button here. Just type in the CAPTCHA, so B115. So I'm just going to repeat it because I've missed it. So I think this one is going good. So hello Crypto Addict, welcome to the ADMC referral bot. So this is the chance that you can invite them now. They do have a refer a friend program, so they will get 1 million ADMC for the beta test. So you can earn 50k ADMC tokens per successful withdrawal. So those who have registered as beta testers will only receive referral tokens and not extra 1 million tokens. So if you are a beta tester like me, you won't actually get an extra 1 million token, but you will still receive a referral token, okay? So this is the other note. Newcomers who were not able to sign up into the beta registration will receive 1 million ADMC tokens once they've completed all the steps in this bot, because they are just preventing this so that there will be a balance on giving these tokens, because I mean this is still also limited, and it is pretty much valuable, so you don't give it away that much as well. So token distribution will be on September 13, 2021. Then the referral system ends on September 10. So make sure to like grab this one, okay? Just grab everything. So let's just submit our details right now, okay? So I'm just going to submit my details. So let me just use my detail right here. And then what you just need to do is just join their announcement group. So I've already done it. So this is the announcement. Make sure to be updated inside. This is also the chat group wherein you can ask anything, almost anything on the developers or stuff. You can just directly ask them already here. So if you've already done it, just click this done button, and of course you just need to join their Discord group. So this is how easy it is, okay? So just type in, okay, let me just like copy and paste it here. So when you're going to get the Discord invite, you're just going to join inside, and then just read and understand as well. So join the group, and after you've done that, guys, okay, you will copy this, okay? You will be going into holy shit, how can I disable it? Okay, so you will be going into your into Discord, and then copy your username, okay? So let's just go now here. So after you've done that, guys, so this is the Discord username. You can just directly copy it here, and then just press enter, and then you just need to submit your BEP20 wallet address, which I'm going to do right now. So let me just give me some time for it, okay? Just give me some time. So I'm just going to click the copy, and then you will be going back into the Telegram bot, and then just paste it, okay? So if you do not have any wallet, make sure to create one in Trust Wallet or into the MetaMask. So it is an extension in Google Chrome that is very easy and also free. Okay, so this is the referral bot. So make sure to like copy your own referral bot or your link, so that once you already participate into this, you will be able to get an extra ADMC tokens from your friends that are interested into this game as well. So you're just going to share this referral link, and just taking note that this will end at September 10. So make sure to take advantage of it, because we only have 5 days for this, okay? So that is it for this video, guys. I think that is the update, the latest update on Adamant Mine. So this is my channel. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here. I'm always back with another fresh daily play to earn blockchain game content for you guys, so that you will be like educated and also be smart into your decisions every single day as well. So that's it, and see you on my next video.